I'm Sarah and I'm the director of London Laser Clinics, and I'm here today to answer the most Google search questions about the hot topic laser hair removal. How does laser hair removal work? Laser hair removal works by a process called selective photothermolysis, which means it damages the hair follicle without damaging the surrounding skin. Laser is a light which enters into the skin and it converts into heat when it meets the pigment in the hair, which then damages the hair growth mechanism. That's the vascular supply feeding the follicle. This in turn prevents the hair from regrowing and hence gives you permanent hair reduction. What's the difference between an IPL and a laser? An IPL is an intense pulse light, it is not a laser. A laser is a direct beam of light which focuses on the pigment in the hair, which heats it up to remove the hair. An IPL has scattered light, so it's not as powerful as the direct beam of light which a laser has. With a laser, you need less number of sessions than you would with an IPL. With a laser, you'll also get better reduction of hair growth. It'll remove ingrown hairs, and it has a more precise technique, which means on the inner lip areas, on your facial areas, is better at removing those inner nasal hairs and treating ears. So much more precise, better treatment results with a laser than an IPL. Is laser hair removal painful? The majority of our clients find the treatment comfortable, although there are some levels of discomfort. We are targeting the hair, therefore you are going to feel some amount of heat. If we don't provide bulk heating, we're not removing the hair. Hence, you are going to feel a small amount of heat. However, with our ice cooler, we are going to use that before, during and after the procedure, which is going to minimize any discomfort. There are certain areas like intimate areas where it's more sensitive, therefore many of our clients prefer to use numbing cream 1 to 2 hours before they come in for the treatment. Your therapist normally allows you to have breaks in between the treatments if you find it really uncomfortable. Now, there's also pain-free lasers out there. Do they work? Not really, because in order to have the best results from laser hair removal treatments, you need to provide bulk heating in order to have permanent hair reduction. Therefore, pain-free lasers really do not give you long-term results when it comes to permanent hair reduction. Is laser safe for dark skin? Yes, laser is safe for dark skin depending on which laser it is. The safest laser for dark skin, including black skin, is the Nd:YAG laser, and the reason for that is its melanin absorption is less compared to other lasers. This means it protects the epidermis and it prevents any burning. So the gold standard laser for dark skin, including black skin, is the Nd:YAG laser. How much does laser hair removal treatments cost? It really depends on the area you're treating, and the prices vary so much depending on the type of clinic you visit, the experience of the aesthetician treating you, and also the type of laser. Lasers vary so much. We only use top medical grade equipment at all of our clinics, which is known as the Candela Gentle Max Pro lasers, and we feel they give the absolute best results. We've tried all of the laser technologies and nothing compares to this. We provide the top grade medical laser equipment, and our aestheticians are experienced in performing laser hair removal treatments with a minimum of 5 years experience. Our prices are the most competitive you'll find in London because we want to make laser hair removal treatments affordable to everybody. So why not pop onto our website and have a look at our prices, or give us a call and we can work out a suitable package for you at the most competitive price. How many laser hair removal treatments do you need? You'll start to see results from your very first session. You'll start to see a reduction in the hair. The hair's not growing back thicker, it's growing back a lot finer, and it's taking much longer for it to grow back. So you'll definitely see improvements within your first session. We urge you to continue and complete a minimum course of 6 to 8 sessions, and the reason for this is we want to target all the hairs that are in the active growing stage and ensure that you get the very best results. So for the face, we expect to see you every 4 weeks for the treatment, and for the body, we expect to see you every 6 to 8 weeks for the treatment. Your therapist will always assess how much reduction you've had and then recommend the new course of treatments for you. Hair growth cycle. Your hair grows in different cycles. We have the anagen, catagen and telogen. Laser hair removal works in the anagen phase. This is the active growth phase, and your hair has the most pigment and vascular supply. This is where the laser hair removal works best. However, only up to 20% of your hair is in active growth phase. So when you come in for your hair removal treatment, we are only treating up to 20% of the active growing hairs. This means you need multiple hair removal sessions to have successful permanent hair reduction. We recommend a minimum of 6 to 8 sessions for your hair reduction. Laser hair removal compared to waxing. So why should you stop waxing and start lasering? Waxing causes issues such as distorted hair regrowth. You can have ingrown hairs from waxing, sometimes irritation. It pulls the skin, especially on sensitive areas like the underarms or the bikini area, which isn't really good for your skin. Also, the regrowth is a lot quicker. Laser is getting rid of ingrown hairs. It's a permanent hair reduction, so really your investment is much better than it is for waxing. And the hair that does regrow is so much finer and softer, which is really vellus, and your skin is absolutely smooth after laser hair removal treatments. Does laser hair removal cause cancer? The simple answer is no. Laser is FDA approved and it's non-ionized radiation, which means it's not possible for laser hair removal to cause cancer. Visit us at London Laser Clinic. We only use the top medical grade lasers. We have the Alexandrite laser and we have the ND-YAG lasers. We are located in 5 different locations. So we have a clinic in Edgware, we've got one in Chiswick, in Kensington, in Maida Vale, and one which is our headquarters in Oxford Street. So we're just 2 minutes walk from Oxford Circus Station. So it's a very convenient location, and we are the most competitively priced in London. We give a price match guarantee. We won't be beaten on price. We want to give you the most affordable treatments. We've been going since 2008, so we've got 12 years experience in the laser industry, and we've treated hundreds of thousands of clients. We are results driven, which means you'll see results from your very first session. If we feel we can't give you results, then we will tell you. We are very honest. So if you want to see good results and you want to come to a clinic which has treated thousands of clients and is got a good reputation and is the most competitively priced and has practitioners which are super experienced, then call us today for a free consultation.